In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the Discord account info section on the PC app in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want to view or update your account details, check your personal information, or just get familiar with where everything is inside Discord settings. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the Discord desktop app on your PC and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main Discord screen, look down to the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see the settings icon there. This is the user settings menu, and it's where Discord keeps all of your account and app preferences. Go ahead and click that settings icon. As soon as you do, Discord will open the settings panel on the left side of the screen. Now, from the left menu, look for the option called Account. Click on Account to open the Account Settings area. This section is where Discord groups the main account-related controls. After you click Account, you'll notice an expanded menu appear. From that expanded menu, click on Account Info. This is the section you're looking for if you want to access your Discord account information. Here, you can view the account details that Discord makes available inside your profile settings. And that's it. You've now successfully accessed the Discord account info section on the PC app. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to go, and now you can come back here anytime you need to check your account details. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Discord guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.